पूजो सदा हमारे पच्छा सिरियस तुझजू कर यह रक्षा राख ले हम मोहे राखन हारे साहेब संत सहाय प्यारे दीन बंद दो सटन के हंता तुम हो पुरी चतुर दस कंता वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. So in front of us, I'm sharing this screen with you guys, and you guys can see. So Sangat has sent in these translations that they have done, what it means to them in the second part where they write how this relates to them. So I'll spend a bit of time in going over some of these just to give you guys different ideas and different perspectives and different people wanting to share some of their arts. So I appreciate you guys sharing, especially during these times, with COVID right now, with all that's going on here in India and it seems like it's so overwhelming. But, you guys still taking time out to come to these sessions and develop these relationships with Maharaj. And I really enjoy reading this stuff. So the first one, Maharaj, my pyare, I need you really bad. I'm starting to crave your darshan didar. You have said to come and ask for help. Please stay behind me. Please help me not fear what is happening physically to my body. I had COVID. You protected me. You held me in your arms. Your love comforted me during that time. I need you more now, Maharaj. I miss being in Sangat and doing Simran with the Gurmukhs. The Panj are heavy for me. I don't want them in my life. Please strengthen me as your daughter to fight them. You're my Pitaji. Help me as your daughter. So this man wrote this beautifully. I mean, such deep feelings being evoked and coming out in the form of writing and having this conversation with Maharaj. So let's move on. Maharaj, every single moment feels like death when you don't come in my mind. I dread every moment. I'm afraid of every moment every day because I'm just going further away from you. Take away this fear by coming into my mind for real, Maharaj, to stay, please. Maharaj, you are literally a superhero holding a kirpan. Slice these layers of blur in front of me. Siri Asatoj. Nice. Superhero holding a kirpan. Slice these layers of blur in front of me. Let me see you and feel you and love you. I need a superhero right now. I need you. Protect me from this horrible age of Kali Yoga. The same writer goes on to write, Maharaj, I'm in such a low place right now that even I'm not in my own corner. I need you in my corner, Guru Sahib Ji, because I'm beginning to throw in the towel. I need you there so there's someone who refuses to let me throw in the towel. Maharaj, the day I took Amrit, I became yours and you mine. Sorry. So I don't have anyone else. You've always been in my corner, but you feel far away. I miss being close to you, Guru Sahib Ji. Please bless me with a gift again of morning conversations, because now I see you less in the day, feel you less in the day, and it's killing me. Guruji, why is my love fading? The strength of Kali Yuga has engulfed me, but I still breathe for you. Guru Sahib Ji, save me. Wow. So even amongst all that, you feel like you need throwing in the towel and all the stuff that's going on, still saying at the end, Maharaj, I still breathe for you, having that faith, having that Chardi Kala mind of not letting go and keeping the fight alive. That's beautiful. Let's go on to read the next one. Hey Kirpan wielding ever powerful Vaiguruji, please be present in everything I do. Let me remember your beautiful ways even during this lockdown. Please keep me as you did Bhagat Ji, Baba Deep Singh Ji, Bhai Taru Singh Ji. Please give me the strength to fight all my fears. I may be down, but with you in my corner, I know I can never be out. I will rise and keep fighting. You are the owner of all worlds. the worlds of my thoughts, the worlds of my thoughts, the worlds of this universe and beyond. Please keep me in the world of remembrance where you are always with me. I still remember after we finished our session last week, I went online to see, I was on IG on Instagram and I saw Pagaji's IGs and this one of the stories. So one of the sects had wrote when they talked about the Puri Chaturdasakanta, the Puri, the 14 Puriya, had wrote the worlds of, I think there I saw that, I think it's something like the worlds inside me, outside me, the worlds of my thoughts. And I was like, whoa, like that's super deep. Like the worlds of thoughts, like this is just going super deep. And you know, maybe we can actually use that and write some of that stuff in the state that Pagaji is writing. So we have another one here. You are the creator of all the worlds. You are merciful even with your sword. So kirpa an. You are merciful even with your sword. Do protect me with your graceful hand like your own child. May I never fear the time of death. May I always overcome my internal battles that I fight daily. May I not be afraid to fight the battle of your consistent bhakti with every breath. It's beautiful. So that was for Apoha Tada. Mujhe varya maran kal ka tras, fear, nivarya, hujo, hovo, sada hamare pacha, Siriya se to juju, Vaheguru ji, karyo ho racha, rakhe le ho mohe, rakhan hare, sahib santa, ਸਹਾਏ ਪਿਆਰੇ ਦੀਨ ਬੰਦੋ ਦੀਨਾ ਦੇ ਬੰਧਨ ਦੁਸ਼ਟਨ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਦੁਸ਼ਟ ਬੰਦੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਕੇ ਦੁਸ਼ਟਨ ਕੇ ਹੰਤਾ ਤੁਮ ਹੋ ਪੂਰੀ ਚਤੁਰਦਸ ਕੰਤਾ beautiful guys sorry so let's move on to this week. So here we are. Kal pae Brahma Bapottara. Kal pae Sivju Avatara. Kal pae kare Bisan Prakasa. Sakal Kal ka Kiya Tamasa. So Kal. Here we would write Vaheguru. Is there someone's audio that's on? I could just mute the audio, guys. So just hear some papers moving in the back. All right, thanks, guys. So we write Vaheguruji as Kal, Pae, Pake, Brahma. So let's write Brahma. Bapo means Sarir, body. So Kal, Pae, Brahma, Bapo, Tara, Tarya. So Kal, Vaheguruji, Pae, obtain, Kal to obtain, Pake, Brahma. So Bapa, body, and physical form. Tara, made, created. All right. So Kal Pae Brahma Bapo Tara. Let's do the next one, then we'll come back to the translation piece. Kal, once again, we'd say Vaheguruji. Pake. So Sivju would be Shivji. Avatara means we avatar liya, right? So call here, do Vaheguru. By obtain. So Shivji Avatara took birth. Avatar Tarya took birth. Avatar. So if we were to translate this, the first one we would say Brahma came into physical form by the order of Vaheguru Ji. Vaheguru Ji to hukam paake. So ki paya, kal paaye. What did Brahma obtain from Vaheguru Ji? The command, the order. So kal paaye, kal ji to hukam paake, Brahma baputara, Brahma ne srir tarya. So Vaheguru Ji to hukam paake, Brahma ne srir tarya. So Brahma came into physical form by the order of Vaheguru Ji. I'll give you guys about a minute to write that. All right, guys. So Kal Pai Sivju Avatara. Vaheguru Ji to hukam paake Shiv Ji ne avatar liya. Shiv Ji also took birth through the command of Vaheguru. So Shiv Ji took birth through the command of Vaheguru. Shiv Ji ne bhi Vaheguru Ji to hukam paake hi avatar tarya. All right, guys. So we'll go right the next. So Kal Pai Kare Bisan Prakasa. So Vaheguru, Kal no paithe Vaheguru kahange, Kalan ke Kal. So we'll say, Kalan de vi Kal jade Vaheguru. Pai, Pa ke, Pa, Kare. So ithe ke pawange. So Kal Pai Kare. Vaheguru Ji to pa karke, Vaheguru Ji to pa ke, Bisan is Vishnu. विष्णु जी ने भी प्रकाश की प्रकाशक हो गए. They illuminated as well, right? So Vaheguru Ji to obtain pakare to Bisan. So Vishnu G, Prakasha, illuminated. Right? So Kal Pae, Karibisam Prakasa, Sakal. So Sakal Sara. So here we would translate Sakal as Sara. Kal, once again, Vaheguru Ji. Ka would translate to the. Kiya means kita. Tamasha is, like, yeah, tamasha, we could say kid. So Sakal, all, everything. Kal, Vaheguru Ji. Ka, of the. Kiya, did. Tamasha, tamasha is a play or like a show. So if we were to translate these two lines, so let's go to the first one. Kal pai kare bisan prakasa. So Vishnu came into physical form through the order of Vaheguru. वाहिगुरु जी तो हुक्म पाके ही विष्णु ने प्रकाश लिया, प्रकाशक होए या विष्णु ने अवतार लिया. वाहिगुरु जी का हुक्म पाके विष्णु ने प्रकाश किया, अपना प्रकाश लिया, अपना अवतार धारिया, शरीर धारिया. So I'll give you guys some time to write that. You guys about 5 seconds to finish up. सकल काल का किया तमाशा. So the whole play of creation came into existence by the order of Vaheguru. सारा तमाशा जेड़ा आ ये वाहिगुरु जी ने ही कीता आ. वाहिगुरु जी ने ही सारा तमाशा रचिया आ. वाहिगुरु जी created this whole kid, this whole tamasha. मैं हूँ परम पुरख को दासा, देखन आयो जगत तमाशा. Guru Gobind Singh Ji writes, I am the servant of Param Purkh ko dasa, of Vaheguru Ji, and I came to see the play of the world. So a Vaheguru Ji ne hi rachaya. So Vaheguru Ji has created this whole show, this whole play. Give you guys a few 30 seconds to finish that off, and we'll move on. All right, guys. So the next section, Javan Kal Jogi Siv Kiyo, Bedraj Brahmaju Thiyo, Javan Kal Sab Lok Swara Namaskar Hai Tahe Hamara. So Javan. Before we move on, I should also say, let me just clarify a few things. So Brahma, Vishnu, Shivji, what's this all about? Why is Maharaj mentioning these things? Once again, continuing on from the previous week, Maharaj talked about the 14 worlds that are related to the Sanatana Mata, the Hindu traditions. So once again, these devte Maharaj talks about. And, some people think there's one Brahma, there's one Shivji, there's one Vishnu. So, and some people think these guys are the supreme powers. But Guru Gobind Singh Ji is teaching us here that Tika, these entities, um, these Shaktiyan as well, are here. And they do have, they say Brahma, Uttapati, like is the one that creates. Shivji is the one that destroys. Vishnu Ji is the one that sustains. But once again, if we go on to some of the translations that you guys are writing of the countless worlds going on and all that kind of stuff, like Patala, Patalak, Agasa, Agas, and the worlds inside, Joi Brahmande, Soi Pinde, Jo Khuja, So Paga, whatever's outside is also inside. The ones who search actually find. Maharaj says stuff like, Kote Bisan Kinne Avatar. ਕਰੋੜਾਂ ਹੀ ਵਿਸ਼ਨੂੰ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਆ ਉਹਨੀ ਅਵਤਾਰ ਧਾਰਿਆ ਆ ਕੋਟ ਬ੍ਰਹਮੰਡ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਧਰਮਸਾਲ ਕੋਟ ਮਹੇਸ਼ ਉਪਾਏ ਖਵਾਏ ਉਪਾਏ ਸਮਾਏ even there are countless maheshas shivjis that come and go ਕੋਟ ਬ੍ਰਹਮੇ ਜੋ ਜਾਗੋ ਸਾਜਣ ਲਾਏ ਕਰੋੜਾਂ ਹੀ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਬ੍ਰਹਮੇ ਉਹ ਜਗ ਸਾਜਣ ਲਾਏ ਆ there are countless brahmas that have been created to have the duties of creating certain worlds and things like that. So, I was listening to Gyanendra Singh Ji, Rakhoi Bale, their katha. In there, they said, as many worlds as there are that many Shivjis and Brahmas and Vishnu's avatars, right? So, I mean, there are countless number of these as well. All right, so let's move on. Javan. So Javan, Jesa, Kal. So once again, Vaheguru Ji. Jogi is a yogi. So Siv here would be Shivji. Kiyo would be Kita. All right. So Javan. That which Vaheguru. Jogi would be yogi. Siv would be Shivji. Kiyo would be dead, created. All right. Javan Kal, Jogi, Siv Kiyo. So Ved Raj. Vedanta Raja. So Ved would be the Veds. Raj would be Raja. Could also say kingdom here, like a Raj. Yeda Sara Raj ya, Ude Raje. We could also translate this as in Raja, as in the king. Ved Raj, Brahma, Ju is G, Theo is Thapya. So Ved is Vedas. Raj is king. Brahma is Brahma. Ju is G. Theo is anointed. One of the Sevadars brought this definition forward as to established by Vaheguruji's order. Theo, Tapya, right? Anointed. Okay, so Javan Kal, Jogi Siv Kiyo. That Vaheguruji which made Shivji into a yogi. That's what we're saying. That Vaheguru Ji which made Shiv yogi, which made Shivji into a yogi. So जिस वाहिगुरु जी ने शिव जी ਨੂੰ योगी बनाया, जवन काल जिस वाहिगुरु जी ने शिव कियो जोगी, शिव जी ਨੂੰ योगी कीता बनाया. So I'll give you guys a minute to write that. All right. So Bedaraj Brahma ju thiyo, ਜਿਸ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਬ੍ਰਹਮਾ ਨੂੰ ਵੇਦਾਂ ਦਾ ਰਾਜਾ ਥਾਪਿਆ. So Vedaraj Brahma ju thiyo. So Vaheguru, that Vaheguru that anointed Brahma as the king of the Veds, that established Brahma as king of the Veds. You know, say Brahma wrote the Veds, right? So that's why. So once again, this is different from just talking about these guys. You know, Guru Sahib Ji also says stuff like, न जटा मूड तारो न मुंदर का सवारों जपोतास नामंग सर सर्व कामंग न नैनंग मन चाऊ न डिम्बंग दखाऊ न को कर्मंग कमाऊ न पेखी कहाऊं. They, nor will I have jata on my head, ना मुंदर का सवारों, ना मैं मुंदरा पाऊं, ना मैं अखा मीट के पखंड करूं, ना मैं जपो तास नामंग, मैं वाहिगुरु दा एक नाम जपूंगा, सारे सर्व कामंग, सारे काम मेरे सरूगे. So that's our mat. The Guru Sahib Ji is talking, pointing these things out for us. Okay, so let's move on. Javan Kal. So once again, Javan Jis. Kal is Vaheguru Ji here. Sab, sare. Log, lok as in people, lok as in ji janta, lok as in jinni we like dunya, like all the dunya, right? Like the worlds, you can say, sare lok jinne vi akhand brahmand beyant udaharan harya, all of them. Svara. So Svara we get like Rachya. Yes. Just right here. Rache. Banai. So Javana, that which Vaheguru Ji Sare means all. Lok here, people, worlds, Svara, brought into form. जवन काल सब लोक सवारा, नमस्कार है ताहे हमारा। Namaskar is namaskar. We could say pranam hai, हैगा या tahe. Tahe would be like ona time. So towards that. Hamara, once again, mera, or I would probably write das da. Right? So in English, we would say bow, salute is to that. We're talking about Vaheguruji here. My. All right, so namaskar hai, tahe, usnu, hamara, mera. So जवन काल सब लोक सवारा, जिस वाहिगुरु जी ने सारे लोक सारे खंड ब्रह्मांड रचे या सारे खंड ब्रह्मांड बनाए या सारे जी जंत बनाए या. So जवन काल सब लोक सवारा, that Vaheguru Ji who brought creation into form, that Vaheguru Ji that created all the people, all the worlds. जवन काल जिस वाहिगुरु जी ने, जवन जिस वाहिगुरु जी ने सब सारे लोक लोक दुनिया खंड ब्रह्मांड सवारा रचे बनाए, brought into form. So I'll give you guys 30 seconds to write that down. All right, so let's move on. So जिस वाहिगुरु जी ने शिव जी ਨੂੰ yogi ਬਣਾਇਆ, that Vaheguru which made Shiv Ji into yogi, that Vaheguru who anointed Brahma as a king of the Veds, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਬ੍ਰਹਮਾ ਨੂੰ ਵੇਦਾਂ ਦੇ ਰਾਜੇ ਥਾਪਿਆ, ਜਿਸ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਸਾਰੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਰਚੀ ਆ, that Vaheguru which brought the creation into form. ਨਮਸਕਾਰ ਹੈ ਤਾਹੇ ਹਮਾਰਾ, ਮੇਰਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਤਾਈਂ ਨਮਸਕਾਰ ਆ. I bow down to that Vaheguru, the one that did all this. So namaskar, pranam ya ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਮੇਰਾ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਤਾਈਂ ਤਾਹੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਤਾਈਂ ਮੇਰਾ ਨਮਸਕਾਰ ਆ. I bow down, namaskar hai tahe hamara, the one that did all this that we talked about above. So I'll give you guys some time to write that down. right, guys? So once again, we will sing this, Barney. I want you to focus on the translations. We will do this for about 6 minutes. I want you to focus on the translations and think about what this means to you. Kalapai Brahma Vavatara, Brahman Avatar Tarya took form, Shivji took form, Visan took form, the whole play of the world, Tamashayira, Vaiguruji created, that Vaiguruji which made Yogi, which made Shivji into Yogi, that Vaiguruji which anointed Brahma as a king of the Veds, that Vaiguruji that created Sare Lok Nu Sawarya Rachya Banaya. I bow down to that Vaheguru that did all this. See how this flows for you. See where this flows for you. See how this is a personal relationship for you. How Maharaj is writing this and what it means to you. So for the next 6 minutes, Amrit Kaur, you around?
Guru Prasad.
All right, so we'll sing. And then we'll switch it up after 6 minutes. Kal pai Brahma Baputara, Kal pai Sivaju Avatara.
Kal paye Brahma Baputara, Kal paye Sivaju Avatara.
काल पाए कर बिसन प्रकाशा सकल काल का किया तमाशा.
काल पाए कार्य बिरसन प्रकाशा सकल काल का किया तमाशा.
जवन काल जोगी सेवकियो वेद राज ब्रह्मा जूथियो.
जवन काल जोगी सेवकियो वेद राज ब्रह्मा जूथियो.
जवन काल सब लोक सवारा नमस्कार है ताहे हमारा.
जवन काल सब लोक सवारा नमस्कार है ताहे हमारा.
काल पाए ब्रह्मा बपुतरा काल पाए शिवजू अवतरा.
काल पाए ब्रह्मा बापुतरा काल पाए शिवजू अवतरा.
काल पाए कार्य बिसन प्रकाशा सकल काल का किया तमाशा.
काल पाए कार्य बिसन प्रकाशा सकल काल का किया तमाशा.
जवन काल जोगी सेवकियो वेद राज ब्रह्मा जूथियो.
जवन काल जोगी सेवकियो वेद राज ब्रह्मा जूथियो.
जवन काल सब लोक सवारा नमस्कार है ताहे हमारा.
जवन काल सब लोक सवारा नमस्कार है ताहे हमारा.
काल पाए ब्रह्मा बपुतरा काल पाए शिवजू अवतरा.
काल पाए ब्रह्मा बापुतरा काल पाए शिवजू अवतरा.
काल पाए कर बिसन प्रकाशा सकल काल का किया तमाशा.
काल पाए कार्य बिरसन प्रकाशा सकल काल का किया तमाशा.
जवन काल जोगी सेवकियो वेद राज ब्रह्मा जूथियो.
जवन काल जोगी सेवकियो वेद राज ब्रह्मा जूथियो.
जवन काल सब लोक सवारा नमस्कार है ताहे हमारा.
जवन काल सब लोक सवारा नमस्कार है ताहे हमारा.
काल पाए ब्रह्मा बपुतरा काल पाए शिवजू अवतरा.
काल पाए ब्रह्मा बापुतरा काल पाए शिवजू अवतरा.
काल पाए कर बिसन प्रकाशा सकल काल का किया तमाशा.
काल पाए कार्य बिसन प्रकाशा सकल काल का किया तमाशा.
यवन काल जोगी सेवकियो वेद राज ब्रह्मा जूथियो.
जवन काल जोगी सेवकियो वेद राज ब्रह्मा जूथियो.
जवन काल सब लोक सवारा, नमस्कार है ताहे हमारा।
जवन काल सब लोक सवारा, नमस्कार है ताहे हमारा।
काल पाए ब्रह्मा बपोतरा, काल पाए शिव जू अवतरा।
काल पाए ब्रह्मा बपोतरा, काल पाए शिव जू अवतरा।
काल पाए कर बिसन प्रकाशा, सकल काल का किया तमाशा।
काल पाए कार्य व्यसन प्रकाशा, सकल काल का किया तमाशा।
जवन काल जोगी शिव कियो, वेद राज ब्रह्मा जू थियो।
जवन काल जोगी शिव कियो, वेद राज ब्रह्मा जू थियो।
जवन काल सब लोक सवारा, नमस्कार है ताहे हमारा।
जवन काल सब लोक सवारा, नमस्कार है ताहे हमारा।
काल पाए ब्रह्मा बपोतरा, काल पाए शिव जू अवतरा।
काल पाए ब्रह्मा बापोतरा, काल पाए शिव जू अवतरा।
काल पाए कर बिसन प्रकाशा, सकल काल का किया तमाशा।
काल पाए कार्य व्यसन प्रकाशा, सकल काल का किया तमाशा।
जवन काल जोगी शिव कियो, वेद राज ब्रह्मा जू थियो।
जवन काल जोगी शिव कियो, वेद राज ब्रह्मा जू थियो।
जवन काल सब लोक सवारा, नमस्कार है ताहे हमारा।
जवन काल सब लोक सवारा, नमस्कार है ताहे हमारा।
All right, guys. So now we'll read this again for another 6 minutes or so. This time, I want you to forget about the translations and I want you to focus on the ton. I want you to focus on the tone of your own voice, whether that you're doing that internally through concentration, or whether you're doing that with your tongue out loud, whether you're doing that in your count, you're just saying it to yourself in a very low voice inside, with your tongue slightly moving or not even moving. However you're doing it, listen to your own voice. And if the mind wanders off away from your own voice, bring it back. If it wanders off, bring it back. That it does that. It's gonna run. It's gonna go external, and we're gonna bring it back. And that's our practice. Mor ke leo. And pyar na leke aao. Be gentle with yourselves. काल पाए ब्रह्मा बपोतरा, काल पाए शिव जू अवतरा। काल पाए कर बिसन प्रकाशा, सकल काल का किया तमाशा। जवन काल जोगी सेव कियो, वेद राज ब्रह्मा जू थियो। जवन काल सब लोक सवारा, नमस्कार है ताहे हमारा। काल पाए कर बिसन, काल पाए ब्रह्मा बपोतरा, काल पाए शिव जू अवतरा। काल पाए कर बिसन प्रकाशा, सकल काल का किया तमाशा। जवन काल जोगी शिव कियो, वेद राज ब्रह्मा जू थियो। जवन काल सब लोक सवारा, नमस्कार है ताहे हमारा। काल पाए ब्रह्मा बपुतरा, काल पाए शिवजू अवतरा। काल पाए कर बिसन प्रकाशा, सकल काल का किया तमाशा। जवन काल जोगी सेवकियो, वेद राज ब्रह्मा जूथियो। जवन काल सब लोक सवारा, नमस्कार है ताहे हमारा। काल पाए ब्रह्मा बपुतरा, काल पाए शिवजू अवतरा। काल पाए कर बिसन प्रकाशा, सकल काल का किया तमाशा। जवन काल जोगी सेवकियो, वेद राज ब्रह्मा जूथियो। जवन काल सब लोक सवारा, नमस्कार है ताहे हमारा। काल पाए ब्रह्मा बपुतरा, काल पाए शिवजू अवतरा। काल पाए कर बिसन प्रकाशा, सकल काल का किया तमाशा। जवन काल जोगी सेवकियो, वेद राज ब्रह्मा जूथियो। जवन काल सब लोक सवारा, नमस्कार है ताहे हमारा। वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. We have some time, and I'll put some of these arts back up. That you guys can look at if you guys need to. And now, if you guys can please start writing your own translations. What does this mean to you? And have that conversation with Maharaj. Spend this time. Sometimes I know it gets difficult to write, to journal, but we still have some time. So if you could take this time and write and just have a conversation, man. That's all it is. Talk to Maharaj. Let him know what's happening, and put it out on paper and externalize it. And I know it's difficult right now with Corona and everything that's going on. A lot of people are isolated and in isolation and all that kind of stuff. So I don't know, I'll put it out there. Maybe we can start showing each other our faces. Someone brought it to my attention. How come no one shows their faces? I'm like, that's a good question. I don't know. So maybe we can start, showing ourselves a bit, so we could see each other, we could see Sangat, and build a form of connection. Maybe here, you guys see me now. Oh, here we go. Yeah, a lot of people. Okay, nice. And so I'll play some money in the back, some Keith in the back, and yeah, right away, guys. And let us know if anything else. If you have any further questions. Mara khema karan, Waheguru Ji ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji ki Fateh.